Hello everyone. Today I will tell a story about passion and persistence. My passion is football. And you? What is your passion? Oliver's passion is surfing. Now I am telling a story. There is the penguin. His name is Oliver. He lives in San Francisco Zoo. Actually, he is quite famous in San Francisco Zoo. However, he has the problem. He wants to surf. Every night, he dreams about surfing. So, he tries to practice surfing in pool. But, of course, there are no waves in pool. So, he escapes the zoo and goes to Hawaii. In Hawaii, he finds a new coach. The coach's name is Sammy Hara. Sammy and Oliver go into the water to practice, and Oliver falls and fails and falls and fails and falls and fails. He falls and fails again and again and again. Sammy just laughs at him. Every day, Oliver falls and fails, and Sammy laughs and laughs and laughs. Well, Oliver decides to quit. He quits surfing, goes home, and gets drunk. But tonight, he has a dream. Of course, his dream about surfing, because surfing is his passion. So, he decides to find a new coach. New coach's name is Kelly Slater. Kelly and Oliver go into waves to practice, and Oliver falls and fails and falls and fails and falls and fails. But Kelly encourages Oliver to keep going, to passion and persistence. Kelly tells Oliver the secret to success is passion and plus persistence. So, Oliver continued practicing again and again and again. After 6 months, Oliver finally succeeds and rides away. After 1 year, Oliver becomes a world surfing champion. Finally, he reached his dream. He is very happy. The story is end.